Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P20 Pro, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first of all, just move with your two fingers here on the center at the same time, like this. Okay, and now you can see here the transitions icon. Just tap on there, and now you can see all the effects, the animations. So you can select one of the animation, and now we can check that. Okay, as can you see, the home screen transitions have changed successfully. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.